Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use SoundCloud. SoundCloud is a popular music and audio streaming platform where users can listen to songs, podcasts, remixes, DJ sets and even upload their own audio. Unlike traditional streaming apps, SoundCloud is known as for its large community of independent artists, underground music and early releases that may not be available on Spotify or Apple Music. And on iPhone, SoundCloud works as a mobile app that allows you to stream music online, create playlists, and sometimes download tracks for offline listening, depending on the uploader or the subscription plan. So first, make sure you have to download this SoundCloud. Open your App Store app, and in the bottom you can find there's an option for the search bar. Tap there and type down SoundCloud and search for it. You need to look for the official app labeled as SoundCloud Music, and over here you need to tap there and wait for the installation to finish. Then you can open the app, and once installed you see the SoundCloud icon on your home screen as well. And after that you can simply open to the SoundCloud, and when you open the SoundCloud for the first time you will be asked to log in or sign up. So simply tap on the create an account on the bottom there. So over here you can either choose with continue Facebook, with Google or with Apple, or you can also type down an email address, as I'm going to choose my email address here and simply continue there. So over here you can also choose a password and make sure your password is strong enough and continue there. Over here you'll be taken to this feed where you can type down your details, your date of birth which is required. So simply select your date of birth here as well and select your gender, and you can keep on continuing. And that is it. You'll be simply signed into your SoundCloud, and SoundCloud may ask you for the music preferences here. You can select the 3 artists that you like and it will personalize your SoundCloud for your taste, and that is it. Now you'll simply get into this home feed of your SoundCloud. You can understand this home screen. Over here on the bottom you can find there's an option for the feed that is suggested tracks based on your taste, and we can also find there's an option for the search tab. You can find songs, artists or podcast. Under this library beside it you will like songs, playlist and downloads, and beside it under your library you can also find your profile, your account settings and the upload as well. And if you want to search for any of the music, to find this music you can go to the search bar here and simply type the name of the song, artist, DJ, mix, podcast and tap on the result to open it. And after you search for it, SoundCloud, and you will find the music that you have searched. And SoundCloud is a unique because you can find official songs, remixes, unreleased tracks, live sets and user uploads as well. And if you want to play a song, to play a track, you can simply go to this home. You can find this tons of playlist or the songs that you want to play. You can simply play it or open any of the song, and over here you can simply tap any of the song and you'll get to this interface of a play or pause, or you can also like it. And SoundCloud also allows users to comment directly on part of a song, which is a unique feature compared to other apps. You can play it or pause it. You can skip forward, back over here. You can also adjust the volume using your iPhone buttons, see comments at specific timestamps as well. You can simply tap on the open comments there, and here you'll find a majorly comments from other artists here as well. And SoundCloud also allows users to comment directly on part of a song, which is a unique feature as well. And if you like a track, and you can tap on the heart icon beside it there as well on the left hand side. And that is it. It will be saved in a library of your liked song, and if you want to create a playlist there, you can simply tap on this icon beside it and select add to this playlist there, and this helps you organize your favorite music as well. And if you want to download music for the offline listening, some tracks on SoundCloud can be downloaded, but this depends on the artist or subscription plan. So to download it, you can simply open, which is already a song opened here. You can simply tap on the 3 dot icon in the bottom right there, and here what you can do is you need to look for the download icon. If you do not find the download icon, then which is not available. If download is not available, it means the creator has disabled it as well. And if you have a downloaded song or the subscription, you can simply go to your library here on the bottom there beside the search. You can tap there here and you can find this downloads option. If you have downloaded or if you already have subscription, you can listen without the internet. This is useful when traveling or saving mobile data as well. So in order to access your setting, tap on the setting beside your profile in the top right as well. Over here you can also select the autoplay related tags, use classic feed if you want to. Here you can also change or import your music. You can go to your account here as well, and here you can delete account or sign out anytime here as well. You can go to this notifications here as well. You can enable or disable your notifications anytime. You can also manually enable or disable it as well. And over here, if you prefer the different languages, you can simply manually tap on this app language here, and you can change or select a language, and it will automatically set to the language that you have selected, and that is it. And the step 10 will be SoundCloud is also for the creators. If you want to upload any of the music, you can simply tap on the top right corner there, and here you'll get into this interface. What you can do is simply tap on the song that you want to upload. Here you can do is you can simply select the title. You can retype the title. You can also type down your artist. If you want any other collaborators, you can type down the genre here as well. You can select the genre. You can type down the description. You can add any details about your track for the fans, or you can also add a caption to your post here as well. And if you want to select your privacy here, you can do it for the public, unlisted, or follower exclusive. It is only available to those who follow you on SoundCloud, and they will only can access it. And after you're done, you can simply go to your upload on the bottom, and that is it. This is how the DJs, singers, and producers share music globally as well. And if you want to follow any of the artists to stay updated, you can simply open any of the artist's profile here, as I'm going to select one of the songs. And here on the top right corner, we can find there's a small icon to follow here, and that is it. You just follow it, and now you'll get updates when they upload the new tracks as well. And the next thing is on SoundCloud, the upgrade icon is your gateway to unlocking premium features, and it is designed to be easy to spot. And the upgrade icon usually appears on the bottom right. We can find this option for the upgrade there. Tap on the upgrade here, and basically upgrading on SoundCloud means switching from the free version to a paid subscription that gives you more features and a better listening experience. And when you use SoundCloud for free, you can already listen to the million of songs. And SoundCloud offers two main upgrade options, SoundCloud Go and SoundCloud Go Plus. Over here, you can find this Artist Pro or simply just Artist. With Artist Pro, you get the full premium experience. This plan unlocks complete access to the entire SoundCloud catalog, including songs that uses free and can only preview for 30 seconds. It also gives you a higher quality offline listening and no ads at all. And over here under this Artist Pro Plus, you see that some tracks, if a song has this mark, it means you need Go Plus to listen the full version. Without upgrading, you might only hear a short preview here. You can simply tap on subscribe now. You can proceed to the payment here as well. And you'll find no ads, offline downloads, better sound quality, and access to more songs. And for the tips for the better use would be to use Wi-Fi for the high quality streaming, create playlists for the modes, chills, workout daily. And you can also explore, discover for the new artists, use search filters to find remixes or sets, turn on notifications for your favorite creators as well. And on SoundCloud on iPhone is a powerful app for discovering and streaming music beyond the mainstream platforms. After installing the app, you can create your account, explore millions of tracks, build playlists, follow artists, and even download the songs for offline listening if allowed. And if you already have a subscription, whether you're into mainstreams music, underground beats, podcast, or the DJ mixes, SoundCloud gives you a flexible and community-driven listening experience directly on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion on how to use SoundCloud, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.